You can do scales on hand, right? You can make a new layer here with hide map and do the scales yourself, but I honestly don't find that very productive. So I came here, I looked for a scale, scales, normal map, and I literally took this one. I think I took either this one. I also found this one as well. I took this one as well once for the leather specifically. But go for Google, look for a normal map. I downloaded. I think I'm pretty sure I literally use this one. No, I don't. That's not the one I use. The one I use is a little bit better. But yeah, I use a normal map for scales. And then import resource, add resource. Oh, it's on my other folder. Hold on. I got the scale normal, right? I got it here. And the way that I do paint the normals myself, let's say I want to paint all this area here, right? I come here, new layer, fill layer. We select normal only right here by alt click, left click mouse. We add the black mask. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. Scales chest. We're gonna change back to brush, and we just begin painting and lagging the hell out because yeah, I'm lagging really bad. I will have to restart my my Substance. Yeah, I did paint. Yeah, I did paint, but it's very laggy. But nothing is showing because you have to set the texture here to the normal. And now you have it. It looks weird, yes. Change it. The tiling. There we go. This is how I add the normal map on scale. It is lagging quite a bit. I have to restart Substance Painter again. There's one last thing, guys, that I will show that will also make the texture look a little bit better because it's still not projecting the way I want it. Let's say over here it looks weird. You can see the division. And if I want to do it like right here on the shoulders as well, let's say I want to do a... Yeah, apparently he is actually projecting fine, which is surprising. Let's see over here. Yeah, over here is also having problems. Let's say I want to use the scales like this, and I want to, I don't know, I want to add to the tail as well some. It has all these like divisions that I don't want to. It's not projecting in the way that I want. What do? We change the projection. We come here to the material, to the properties, and we change the projection from UV to 3-planar. So we can use it all the 3 planes, height, depth, and width. So it's now projecting into a cube. And it does work the same way as Unity. You can press E to rotate, R to scale if you want to scale it. In my case here, it's almost hitting the foot, so I'm going to scale a little bit more. And that's it. You see that now it looks a little bit better. Still have some issues, but it's not as bad as it was before. And they all like follow the same direction pretty much. For some reason the 3-planar still does have some issues, but that's fine. And then the same way that we did to the height map, we do to the normal as well. We export as the OpenGL, which is basically this. And I know if you, OpenGL in this case, DirectX this time. This is the difference. You see like the DirectX, the normal map for the height looks inverted and it's brighter. It's much brighter as well, you can see. But you guys saw that on the material itself, it does not look any different than the OpenGL. It's just the way that the textures, like, I don't know how they work or whatever. And then we change here to normal and everything in export. This part here already explained. But again, I made a duplicate of the metallic roughness. In this case, I'm using DirectX. I drag and drop the DirectX into the normal RGB channels. Here I will rename to BX, just because. You know what's funny? It does look fine over here, but then I know that in Unity, you can see the division. Yeah. So yeah. Oh my god, that belly button is deep. That belly button is deep. That's some muscle. Look at that. Definition. I'm honestly happy with this. It doesn't look so bad. Yeah, that's basically how I do the thing. If you like it, please like it and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. My streams in the mornings, like basically they're the only time I'm having to stream. And in the mornings especially, I have to stream only a couple of hours. Especially because I have to work. Basically gonna be like something quick, art, tutorial, whatever, and then just chatting, at least for now.